Alright guys, another edition of Bass Slayer Outdoors. This is officially the last video in the kayak. I am about to get out here out at this lake I haven't fished all year. It's one of my favorite lakes in Wayne County. This is our Phoenix Lake here, as you guys can see. It's like the back end of it. So I'm gonna fish here today, probably for my last kayak trip of the year. I'm not quoting it, I'm saying it's gonna be my last one. Excuse the traffic because I'm right off the side of the road. And I got a face mask on, but this is probably gonna be my last kayak trip of the year until ice season. I'll see if we can get some toes out here today, guys. A lot of smallmouth and pike in here today, so we're gonna see if we can get them, guys. Camera fell. So it was a big stump here that's right behind me that made me just tip over, so wasn't that bad. Let's get it, guys. First time fishing this lake this year, guys. Phoenix Lake. Caught a 5.5 pounder here, flopper. 2 years ago, caught a couple nice smallmouth here 2 years ago. Caught a few nice few pike. I've been fishing this lake about 5-6 years now. It's been a good lake, but I haven't been raised quite this way, so decided to hit it up for the last little run of the year. Hopefully we can get into some toes up in here. Hopefully they biting good for the winter and feeding good. It's usually a lot of cup in this area here. It's a lot of shallow water here. That's why I'm actually using my oar. But hopefully we can get some fish today. Raining. As you guys can see, got a little bit of rain. I have seen some big fish come out of here. A lot of crappie in here too. It's a good lake, man. It's a real good lake. We have these hits and misses. Good days you come out here on fire, good days you get skunked. Might get skunked today, who knows? I'm trying my best to poke one up out of here. Get a good bite. I know it's definitely a 5.5 pounder in here. He's probably about 6.5 now. Ate all up. I released him last year, so I know he's still in here. Nobody haven't caught him and kept him. Caught him right up in this area here. I'm fishing now. It was summertime when I caught him though. Epic day, man. Epic day. water, rain. Oh man, the bike was so slow for the first 30 minutes. I throw the nail rig on. It's raining, sorry. Oh man, look at that fish. Oh, nice, beautiful browns right on the tip. Nice fish, guys. Man, nice. Alright, guys, so we're gonna release this guy. He's 16 inches. About 2 pounds. About 2 pounds. Nice chunky guy. He gave me a good bite. He gave me a fight that I needed. Nice, beautiful smallmouth, bro. Beautiful smallmouth. It's raining, guys. See if we can get some more.